arrived here sa Sundowners. Kita nyo naman, pagpasok nyo may sand na kaagad. Wow! Wow, para ako naka...
Soft road.
Yung guys, part naman nyo to.
Whoa! Wow, this is amazing! I love it! Uy, fresh book! Fresh book!
Parang Santorini yung thing na tong Sundowners. So as you can see, beachfront siya ng beach. Kaso low tide niya yan, so parang sobrang layo ng dagat. Pero pagka umaga, malapit yan. Yan ang ginagawa mo dyan. Stark. Nagawa mo dyan, Stark. Ah.
Stark! This is salami and sugar.
Ano? What is this called?
Salami.
Salami. Paano kapag doktor ang gumawa? Anong tawag? Salami daw.
Alright guys, so now it's time to eat dinner. It's night time, so syempre dinner time na. So kain tayo. Sarap ng niluto nila chef from Chao Restaurant and from Sundowners. Thank you guys. Alright, kain tayo. May rib eye.
Ay!
Oh,
Oh my God, ready na kumain ng day by day. Ay, gusto na may gulay ba ako? Tignan mo, sarap na siya. Siyempre guys, parang walang gumagana ng gulay. Ako pala.
Before we end this trip, let's try to reminisce the experiences that we've done here. Guys, anong most favorite experience na ginawa niyo sa buong Pangasinan trip?
My favorite is the Enchanted Cave because it's my first time. Ako yung falls kasi ang ganda ng view. I like the view.
Ako falls because it's very relaxed.
Ayun, falls din. Panoorin mo na yung vlog.
My favorite was the cave and park because it was my first time being in such a beautiful place.
Ba't mas magaling dito?
And my favorite, itong Batar Beach guys, tingnan nyo naman, no, dyan parang sa seashore, kita nyo na yung mga fish or mga sea creatures like starfish, corals, and everything else.
Ako, ang most favorite experience ko sa lahat is lahat. Kasi lahat yun mga bagong experience para sa amin. We're gonna recommend you guys to like go to the places that we've been to if ever you guys are going here in Pangasinan. Anyway, we're about to end this Facebook vlog here.
Everyone,
Everyone,
1, 2, 3, go!
bye for now! Bye now!